All right, good morning. We're back. We're back to the London session. And I'm still a little bit sleepy, but we're back. All right, let's see what's going on. Welcome, everybody. And Pay the Trader is the first one. Hi, hey there. What's happening? What's happening, Pay the Trader? All right, guys. All right. Well, I did my markups a little bit earlier this morning. And let's just start at the 1 hour chart because, I mean, we can look at the daily for a quick second, but let's just start and see what's going on here. Now, on the daily, you guys remember this new day opening gap from July 23 to 24. I think it was earnings report or something back there. And I do feel like this gap is a possible target for today. I know it's a little bit of a stretch, but 883 would be the final target for today. So I'm overall super bullish, mostly because of this. I'm not saying we're going to reach that gap, but it's definitely a good target up there. But let's focus on the short term here. And on the short term, we do have some buy side liquidity, mostly from the 1st of August. And this is still the daily chart. And as you can see, the daily candle on the 1st of August, well, I do like those levels. Abs is here. Welcome, Abs. Yo, yo, yo. What's happening? All right. So let's go down to the 1 hour. This is my highest time frame if I go with day trading. But everybody can, of course, choose. Made another request today. Let's go, Abs. Also bought 5 accounts with Fast Track. Nice. Let's go, Abs. Let's go. Congratulations, by the way. You know what? I'm going to give you an applause. Guys, Abs is killing it. Abs is requesting payouts all the time. So, huge congratulations there, man. Nice job. Congrats, man. So Abs is killing it. He really does, and I can confirm it. All right, so we have this level. This is kind of like a bearish order block ish thing from the 1st of August on the 1 hour. Not a perfect one, but let's just say it fits the style. So this is a 1 hour, and we have another level at 717. So let's go back here. It seems like we're going there, and here comes the surprise. I'm in a position already. I took it before the stream. I'm aiming for this one to go and take out at least the high of the order block up there. The high of the order block is at 82. My take profit is going to be at 79. I'm only risking about 100, so nothing special, but you know, that's what I'm aiming for. And which account is this? I don't even know. Yeah, I think this one. So I just want to see this go nicely up there and take out that buy side liquidity, which is actually 1 hour order block high. All right, 1 hour order block high. So that's what I'm aiming for. Peter is here. What's happening, Peter? And Vivian. Oh, hey there, Vivian. How you doing this morning? I like the name Vivian, by the way. Did I tell you already? All right. I'm a little sad to say, though, that I'll probably stop trading Apex after this. Oh, sad to hear that. But, you know, whatever floats your boat, whichever prop firm you like or prefer, it's your personal preference. All right. The main thing is to keep the money flowing, you know. I like the name too. Vivian, honestly, I think it's a beautiful name. All right, 664. So as I said, I'm aiming for that buy side liquidity, aka 1 hour order block high. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, apex delays between pay cycles and then waiting for them to approve, etc., is just not healthy for me. Yeah, you know, totally understandable. That's why I always say, like, even if you trade with apex, you gotta manage multiple funded accounts. So, and maybe that's kind of a solution, so you can keep forgetting the ones that you requested a payout from. But yeah. All right, so we're sitting in this area. I'm actually, yeah, I'm around break even. No, not break even, a little bit better than break even, but hoping that this will go a little bit higher. And yeah, that is what I'm hoping for. By the way, today we're gonna do another giveaway, one more as an extra, as a compliment to everybody. One more $50 giveaway in this London session. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you. So one more $50 giveaway, guys, in the London session. But we're going to wait, of course. I'm not going to do it right now. We're going to wait. And I'm going to start the ticket thing in about 25 minutes. So we just started the kill zone. So we're gonna have like 30 minutes until the London Open, or a little bit more, for everybody to enter. All right. So I'm gonna open up the giveaway section in a little bit later, like 20 something minutes. All right. George Mikhail, hey, good morning. What is happening? So I laid out a plan on how I will tackle these 6 accounts with fast track, 150k account size at each two. Nice. So I'm aiming maybe 350 per day. We'll start once they have trade weight. Nice. That's a good plan, actually. You can nicely rotate them. I will also try fast track trading once they add trade weight. Hope they do. Yeah, I think they said they're gonna be, I mean, it's gonna be available from September. So I do have to check again, but they said it's gonna be in September. So yeah. Their Discord, and they said prices will, yeah. I was reading that multiple times, that they're gonna raise the price for these accounts because of the credit card thing. Still sounds like a scam to me. Well, we never know which prop firm is here to stay for the long term from these new ones. So we have a lot of new prop firms. Like the other week I was reading, like there's a new prop firm technically almost every week. So is fast track trading providing trade weight? Not yet, Sarif. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Not yet. They said they're gonna have it in September next month. I don't know if that's an official thing or not, but they said in September. Once they're traded weight and no discounts will apply. Actually, that's understandable, I guess, if they really want to do business. So, and you know what? Let's just assume that they want to do a long-term legit business. I would say if you really want the leverage and you want to jump in, obviously for the company, it might be better to for them not to give away everything for cheap, because they need to make money, of course, to pay out those traders who are successful. But I was on that too till I saw a mate get payout. I saw like 4 people getting payouts from fast track trading already. So, and they got the money on their account, like multiple people. So it's so easy to increase credit card. I don't know. I think it's because of the nature of the business. For example, for my mini course, I'm not going to talk about it because I'm changing some stuff in my mini course. I use Stripe, for example, for credit card payments, and they were asking me a whole bunch of questions, like, and you know, the terms and conditions for these credit card providers are very strict. So, for example, like 99% of these credit card providers don't like institutions, companies who are giving financial services. So I know that, you know, basically a prop firm is not only just financial services, but I guess a lot of credit card providers don't like to work with these prop firms because they don't want to risk their own reputation if some regulatory thing comes in or whatever. So I guess a lot of credit card providers don't really like you know, prop firms, or they have to be very, very detailed in what they do. Yeah, you got it. New prop firm is coming. GooooFundedFutures, named GooooFundedTrader. Wow, who knows when they will rock pull. Yeah. Good morning, Farhad. Hey, good to see everybody. Every time I use a debit card to pay for a challenge, my bank flags it for fraud. Yeah. Also, I have a friend of mine here in Hungary who has paid a lot of money for challenges on forex prop firms, and his bank just simply said to him that no more debit card payments for this provider, because yeah, they flagged the I don't know which was that. I don't know which prop firm was that, honestly. It was a forex prop firm, but they flagged it as a potential fraud. So he can no longer pay for them with that bank, and it's an official bank in Hungary, and they just flagged it. So not every credit card provider likes these prop firms. CEO said because of chargebacks and claims, he wants to wait till he gets approved for. Oh, I see. This is MyFundedFutures. I need to sit down and learn Quant Tower and Nitros. That might flagged me the other day. What happened? Wonder how the banks know about these prop firms. I don't know. I guess they have some kind of a communication. I'm saying communication, but maybe they see their account number or credit card registration or whatever for these prop firms in a central hub or somewhere, and they see that a lot of suspicious transactions are coming in all over the world for that particular number or card, or I mean for that account that they attach to that. And maybe there's some kind of an internal system that sees that a lot of suspicious credit card transfers are going through. I don't know. After using credit instead of the debit. Wow. Fast track trading, anything. Oh yeah, by the way, that's a good thing, Naomi. Yeah. So if you pay anywhere, not just a prop firm, if you pay regularly for a company trading, you know, that's always a red flag. Not just in your country, here as well, in my country, everywhere I think in the world, when the banks are seeing regular payments, credit card payments, especially for any kind of institution that has the trader name, then I think it's a red flag. You know, they start to investigate what is going on, or you know, these names like trader, investment, capital, or whatever, all these names, I think these are red flags, and they're checking or maybe even denying payments towards these companies. So I wouldn't be surprised. Quant Tower is super easy to copy trades. It's super easy. For example, here I have, now I'm copy trading with Quant Hour, and it's just super easy. You see, copy trading this, super easy. One Apex, one Billinox, and one MyFundedFutures account. I'm copy trading. So it's super easy. Good morning, Marco. Good to see you, man. I just trying to, yeah. Good luck. Quantor provide footprint chart. I don't know, to be honest. I have no idea. I mean, there's a lot of charts. Oh. What kind of charts? We have candle, bar line, dotted line area, quant hour, time, Heiken-Ash range bar, delta, point and figure, reversal, volume, Renko, range bars, you name it, delta bars, reversal, quite some. Once my accounts are active, I will log on and link them all. Oh yeah, there you go. Ralph, hey there. What's your risk reward in terms of money? How much do you risk per trade and how much target? What's the daily loss? Well, you know, on the funded accounts, I trade differently than on the evaluation accounts. Totally different risk management style on my funded accounts and on my evaluations. Well, let's just say, to keep it like the real thing, is I usually risk around 120 ish dollars on a funded account per trade. If there is a super A++ like best off setup, maybe I go above 150, maybe nearly 200 on an account, on a trade, sorry. And you know, the risk to reward, I try to aim for bigger than 1.5, try to go for risk reward of 2, but bigger than 1.5. And so if I risk about $100, I try to take at least 150, or try to take at least, I mean, aiming for $200 if I risk 100. That's my sweet spot. And you know, for example, here my stop loss was down here. So what I try to do, and I'm doing this since the past few weeks, you know, I'm trying to reduce risk. What I used to do, if price trades above a certain level that I think it's a good direction, I try to reduce my risk. So for example, here was a swing low that I liked, where I entered here. It created a swing low again, so I'm trying to reduce my risk. So at this moment, my risk to reward is a little bit better. So if it takes me out, it's not going to hurt me that much, because obviously if we take out this swing low at 655, we could be going even lower. So I'm just reducing my risk and hoping that it will continue to go higher. By the way, if you guys are asking what the hell am I doing, I would like price to reach the 682, which is, if you look to the left, this is the 1 hour chart, and if you look the 1 hour chart at the 1st of August, you will see that there's a bearish order block. Not too perfect, but we have some very good buy side liquidity. And I'm going to show you once more. If you go to the daily, just look at this level from the 24th of July, new day opening gap. So let me put it back. Look at this new day opening gap at 890. I'm extremely bullish at this moment for Friday, and I can imagine it's a little bit of a stretch that we can go to the 900s. Absolutely, we can go to the 900s. So I am definitely bullish, but my bias is changing. As I told you guys, it can change intraday. So that's what I think. A lot of chargebacks, yeah. Footprint charts allow just show real time contract, but sold is really cheap. Oh, My bank in Germany also flagged me and wants to stop the payments or they will cancel my bank account. I worked only with Tomsabo, Apex, and Bluelox. Wow, Erkan, that is wild, man. That is wild. German banks don't play. Good morning. Interesting. Germany has strict rules, I think. Good morning, David. Good to see you. 77 contracts waiting at 700. All right, let's go. I open a Wise account for Erkan. Just letting you know, Erkan, that Wise banned me. I had a Wise account from 2022. I was paying for FTMO, the funded trader. Mostly, I was using my Wise account for paying Forex prop firms. That's what I was using it for. And Wise banned me. And there was also a few transactions, like not too much, 2 or 3 transactions that was made for Coinbase to buy crypto. I think it was Coinbase. I was buying crypto with my Wise debit card. And once I tried to log in, I had a few hundred euros there also. I tried to log in and I was just banned. I wrote them an email like, what the hell is going on? And they didn't even tell me why I was banned. They didn't tell me. Wise just said, we are sorry, but we are not in the condition to tell you why this ban happened to you, and good luck in the future. And they wired me the money to a bank account, which I in a different bank, which I left the funds there. And so Wise actually banned me for that. And 90% of the time I was using that account for paying prop firms. So interesting. PayPal would freeze your funds, but PayPal is also banning everybody if you're paying for prop firms, or what is happening with that? I don't know. I mean, nowadays, even those prop firms, I mean, some prop firms, I mean, the prop firms that are paying you out from these simulated funded accounts, they actually don't pay you out from actual trading. On the comment section, at least from TopStep, it says analyst fee. So it's, you know, for market analysis or something like that. I don't know. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Why is it stupid? The same thing happened to me. They can't even tell the reason. Yeah. They didn't. I was asking multiple times, and they just keep repeating the same exact email that we are not, you know, sharing the details about the issue. Good luck in the future, and goodbye. And I'm not even able to reopen an account with them. I tried. They won't. A lot of chargebacks, right? Maybe. Revolut. I don't know. I don't use that guy. I have a bank account in my country, and so far they were letting me do everything that I wanted with prop firms. But if you know, if they close on me, I don't know. I don't use Revolut for this, so I don't know. Yes, I think so be careful if you want to use your Wise account for paying challenges or evaluation accounts or whatever. Even if you receive payments, yeah, and you know, check this. Somebody told me in a group that even if you receive payments from prop firms to your Wise bank account, you're gonna get flagged. So it's very dangerous because they think exactly the same. Like Sorel says, Wise is thinking that prop firms are shady business and they don't want to do business with them. TopStep wanted to use Wise. I think or I don't know, one particular prop firm wanted to use Wise, and they said Wise actually banned them. They don't want to do, they didn't want, I just don't know which platform was that, man. But Wise actually banned them. They said, no, 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 we're not going to do business with you guys. Topstep used Wise. Okay, then it was a different one. I don't know. So I would be super careful. You know, it's just like with the online casinos. You know, I try to pay, not that I play poker or anything, just like I try to pay for like $10 or $20 on online casino, and my bank automatically rejected the transfer because these online casinos are usually regulated offshore, and my bank actually refused to make the payment because it's shady business. Good morning, Alicia and 7 Moneybag. Yo, hello, and everybody who I forgot the Mad Scalper. Joey's here, and sorry if I missed anybody. So I'd like to see this go higher, but I might gonna get taken out when it gets below the swing low. But still, that buy side liquidity on the 1 hour looks juicy, looks great. Unfortunately, my trade doesn't look that great right now. So it could be sweeping the lows. If it does, it is what it is. You know, what can I do? I'm just gonna eat the trade and move on. It was looking good, 61 all the way. It was moving up 10 points nicely, but now I think it just wants to take out that swing low. Oh, by the way, we're gonna do one more giveaway. Yesterday we did 3. Today I'm gonna do only one giveaway, $50. So let me start it up, and we're gonna wait until the London Open. All right, let me get this one ready. Just one winner today, and I would be super glad if you guys would be having PayPal, because that helps a lot. And oh, thank you, Robert Kim, for subscribing. Let me set it up because it's not started yet. Giveaways. It's gonna be a $50 cash giveaway, and again, super appreciate if you guys would have PayPal, but we will sort it out if you don't. All right, giveaway, blah 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 blah. All right, exclamation mark cash, and I started it now, but we're gonna wait until after the London Open. All right, for the stream, and because it's Friday, and because I really love you guys that you're here, so you guys can participate. Exclamation mark cash, and I started the thing. All right, only one winner today. Yesterday we had 3, but you know, because everybody wanted to to pick all the winners yesterday, so I said, nah, okay, let's do at least one more on Friday. All right. Morning, Zach. Morning. So don't forget to enter. And we have time. We're gonna pick the winner at the London Open, so we have like 30 minutes or something. So we have plenty of time, everybody. Plenty of time. And you know, we're $100 away. Dollars, come on. 100 subscribers away from 3K. If we're gonna reach 3K, I guess it's not gonna be today, and I'm not gonna do it anyway today. So I hope the bot subscribers don't come in for this. I'm not going to do it today either way. So no, not today. But if we're going to reach 3K subscribers, I'm going to give away another at least $150, maybe $300. I have to think about it. Okay, I'm gonna think about it. Maybe, you know, $3K, $300 maybe, but there's gonna be a bigger giveaway when we get above 3K subs. Okay, so just letting you guys know, it's a good thing if you subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, don't miss your chance. Online safety, hello, what's happening? What is happening? Good to see everybody. Great intersection, hey. Hi, Mountain Trader, welcome, welcome. And Nissim is here. Foligaris, Diary of a Futures Day Trader. Wow, I like the name there. I see the lurkers are coming out. All right. So this is what I'm hoping for, that we will go for that order block high. So again, we're gonna do the pick at the London Open, so we have plenty of time. Plenty of time. Sorry, still sleeping. Plenty of time, guys. Everybody has time to enter. I don't really like this because it seems like it's a little bit weak and it can go down and sweep the lows and take me out. But anyway, Erkan says my bank refused all top step automatic renew payments. I must make it manually and wait 10 minutes per account. Wow. Flag this payment as fraud. Interesting. Interesting. Hey, welcome, Diary. Is he famous? Are you famous? He is. He is famous. Awesome. All right. Welcome to the channel. Nice. Oh, all right. So, hey, Parminder, what's happening? We are just, you know, waiting for the market. I'm sitting in a position. I would like to see the buy side liquidity being broken at the 1 hour order block high, above 82, but my take profit is at 79. If it trades above, well, you know, if it goes into the 70s again, I might put it to break even. I don't know yet. Or maybe I should take partials. I'm not even sure. The thing is, I entered this trade like a little bit higher at 62 or 63, and I added 2 more. So this is 5 micros. I entered 3 micros up there and 2 more down there. So if I close down maybe 3 micros, my other entry is going to be down there. So first in, first out. But anyway. I'm not having issues with withdrawals from Take Profit Trader. I didn't hear anything about that. Gonna be honest with you guys, I did receive like $300 when I reached my $300 in affiliate commission, because I did manage to. It took me like 2 months or more than 2 months, so I'm very, very, very grateful for you guys if you were using my Take Profit Trader code. And I requested a payout, so not from trading yet, from Take Profit Trader. I requested a payout, and guys, the payment from Take Profit Trader was on my account in 2 hours, I think. So it was real, because even if you request it from your trading or whatever, it always comes out from your wallet, I think, because it puts it in your wallet and you have to withdraw it from your wallet. So I withdrew it from my wallet, and it's basically from that point it's like almost the same, you know, and I got it in 2 hours. And the people who I talked with who reached payout with Take Profit Traders said to me the same thing. Like, they requested it from their balance and it was on their bank account in 2 or 3 hours maximum on the same day. You are waiting so long because according to Poopmat there are only 2 orders. Oh, really? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, maybe this move is gonna, you know, just flat out and maybe sweep some more liquidity on the downside. That's not good. I'm not happy about that. That's not good. Oh. 667. Okay, so they took that. I mean, there's nothing up. I thought that we have some orders above 82. I don't have Bookmap right now opened up or anything. The fighter jets are flying again above the house. And guess what? My neighbor started the lawnmower again. So that means something usually. Don't forget it, guys. We have a giveaway going on. And we have only 23 people in the giveaway. The chances are super, super high for you guys to win. Exclamation mark cash. And we're going to pick the winner at the London Open. So, a lot of chances to win. The odds are in your favor, guys. Pointman is here. Hey. So, Top G is here. Oh, I didn't write you back on the video. I'm still making that. I did that, so I'm gonna write you. Bro, how much risk you take on every trade? On a funded account, I usually $150. Morning, Komodo. What's happening? Sofian, good morning. Mary, good to see you. Good to see you guys. Everybody gets 1 ticket. Just saying. Morning, Jung. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Yasia, good morning. Congratulations again. We have a winner from yesterday. Brownie. Yeah, don't forget the giveaway is on. Just 1 winner today. Only 1 winner, not 3. So yesterday we had 3 winners, but I said, all right, we don't want to finish the week without any winner. So 1 more winner. We need 1 more winner. So we're going to pick 1 winner. All right. Good to hear that. Tom, is 90% below NOx only for first month? It's lifetime. It's lifetime, guys. The 90% below NOx is lifetime. So if you blow the account, it's a good idea because we never know when these 90% sales are coming. I usually keep the blown accounts, which are cheap, and you get rebuild for a cheap price. I mean, you will know that next month you will definitely have 1 more chance if you don't cancel the subscription. I do the same with Apex, or I still have a MyFundedFutures account. They were having the sale for $50 3 months ago. And guess what? I blew that account 3 times already. But I didn't cancel the subscription, so I still have a $50 subscription from MyFundedFutures. So I still have it. You're welcome. You're welcome. So guys, giveaway is going on. Inderjeet Saudi, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you, thank you. Welcome. Good to see you. It seems like we're getting to 2900 almost, or already. Thank you for the subscription, guys. As I told you guys, if we're gonna reach the 3K subs, there's gonna be a much bigger giveaway. More cash. There you go, 2900. We got there. 2900 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support, everybody. I guess. So today we're not gonna reach the. I mean, even if we reach the 3K today, I'm not going for it. Matthew West, hey, thank you for subscribing. I'm not going to do the big giveaway today because just saying that this London session is gonna be a short stream. So it's gonna be next week anyway. So not today. Bathos. And you know, we're gonna make sure that those subscribers are not coming from bots or anything. So just saying that when we reach the 3K next week, we will do giveaway. All right, if we can reach next week. I think we can. We have a possibility for that. So Tommy Me, good morning, good to see you. I think Tommy Me already won, right? Everybody who won is not going to, no. Of course you can win. Somebody like was winning for 2 or 3 times, I don't even know. But anyway, we're slowly getting to 3K, and I would gladly do a bigger giveaway when we get above there. So, and we're gonna pick the winner after the London Open. All right, guys. So just I see the emojis. Now we're gonna give a bigger giveaway most likely next week. And I forgot what I wanted to say. Of course, everybody can win. Everybody who won already can win again. But everybody gets one prize. One prize, guys. One prize. You know, this is the proof that I'm super tired still. I can't wait to get back to my normal habits, like in September. Because this summertime is sometimes it's killing me. I get too tired. I don't sleep as much as I would like to. Trader to be, hey there. And everybody else, Parminder, who I forgot to say hi, excuse me for that. So if you are asking what the hell am I doing, I'm just waiting for this order block to be broken up there. If you look to the left on the 1 hour and you go to the 1st of August to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you will see that there is a bearish order block, and we have the high at 82. So my take profit is gonna be at 79. Sophie Hen, hello. Good to see you. So I have my target at 79. I want to see this area to be broken. And for the newcomers, I'm saying that look at the daily chart. This is the daily. What do you see here? That's the news release from 24th of July. We have a new day opening gap up there. I know it's a little bit of a long shot, but I think we can go to the 900s. You know, if we can have a rally, we can go to the 900s there. Absolutely, why not? It's a high resistance liquidity run this morning, that's for sure. How long does the Billinox discount last? I think it lasts until next Monday, the 19th of this month. So August 19th, Monday, the 90% is still valid. I mean, you can get it until then. So all over the weekend, if you want to purchase it, the 90% is still going. For option 2 accounts, there is a 75% discount. So you can get, it's actually, they don't do it very often. The option 2 accounts, which has, Billinox has the end of day trailing drawdown, daily loss limit, which is a soft breach, so you can continue trading. So end of day trading drawdown accounts is the option 2. You can have it for 75% discount. You can use the code tomsabo2. It's somewhere in the chat as well, or in the description. But for option 2 accounts, you put a number 2 after my name. So tomsabo2 is for option 2 accounts. If you prefer, it's $43 for a 50K end of day trading accounts, which is cheaper than TopStep currently. And it's almost like, so for end of day trailing, it's cheap. Activation fee is $148 for both the option 1 and option 2 accounts for the 50K. So the activation fee is also $1 cheaper than TopStep, but you know, you can get it. Basically, for the option 2 accounts is the same as TopStep, but with a bigger threshold. At TopStep, you get $2,000. With Billinox, you get $2,500. The daily loss limit is maybe $1,000 at TopStep right now. With Billinox, it's $1,100 for the option 2. Anyway. How hot could be? Well, here it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 38, 39 degrees Celsius. Super hot. And right now they have a warning that today is going to be particularly very hot. I was just watching the weather, and they said there's a warning, be careful outside because today is going to be extremely hot. A few days ago in my country, a 78-year-old heat record has been broken. So that's how hot it was. The discount 75%, Tamimi, 75%. So you can get the 50K account for $43 or $45, I think. If you use the code tomsabo2, it will write it out there for option 2 accounts. So $43 or $44, if I'm not mistaken, something like that, but below 50, that's for sure. So. Hey Trader B, what's up? What's up? Yeah, very hot, Marco. Absolutely, very, 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 very hot, and you know, it's definitely a hot summer. A hot summer for sure. So we're gonna wait after the London Open. To pick the winner. And yeah. You know, are we going to all-time highs? To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if we go up there to the 900s up here. As I said, you know, I know it's a little bit of a stretch, but look at this. 200 points. Honestly, after last week, do you guys think that 200 points is impossible for NASDAQ? NASDAQ can reach for that super easy. Super, super easy if it wants to. But whatever happens, I think that the 1 hour order block high and the buy side liquidity, which is the high, these are very easy targets for NASDAQ, at least to wick it out. And, you know, we'll see what happens from there. So that's what I think. That's why I'm also sitting in this trade still. So I took a vacation to Budapest. Wow, in October. Yeah, in October the weather is great. The weather is great. Absolutely. October is good. I like the weather in October. I like the weather. I know it sounds weird, but I like the weather better at the winter than in the summer. I know you guys might be loving the summer heat and anything. I don't, because I melt. I melt like ice cream in the summer. Like I'm like sweating all around the place. I have to take a shower like, I don't know, a couple of times. And there you go, take profit. So I have to take showers a couple of times every time. I mean, it's crazy. I'm sweating like I don't know, sweating like crazy. So I like the winter. Maybe I should live at the wall in the Game of Thrones, like. Nasdaq is so manipulated. Yeah, it is. It is. But I'm still gonna stay bullish. So we had a take profit here. Yes, it can go there even more. So today is the third 4 weeks. Yeah, so guys, be careful with the shorts. I mean, we can go short. Why not? Obviously, we need to sweep some liquidity at some points. But be careful with the shorts. I think today is going to be a bullish day. That's what I think. And again, just saying, if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, then ! cash, it's open. And we're going to pick the winner after the London Open. Just one winner today. Yesterday we had 3. And I would be super glad if the winner, any of you guys, if the winner would have a PayPal, that would make my life simpler. I'm working on a solution for the next time, but right now, PayPal, bank wire transfer, or maybe debit card transfer. Yesterday, I was asking for help from Methodical Man, but I to pay out a winner, but I don't want to nag him with that, so I'm looking for a solution here. Do you have a big fall? Yeah. We have festivals every season, Sorel. Every season. I was born in May, so hey. I'm taking my macro trades to finish the required. Yay, let's go, Komodo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Or will it go there right now or retrace? Now, that's the good question, Bob. I don't know. If you look at the 5-minute, you know, we got through this, you know, positions were accumulating in this area, and now it's going higher. I don't think that we're going to have a huge retracement. At least this area right now could be acting as some kind of a support, I think. So this area could be acting as a support. I think I would like to see price closing above the 82, and the next target should be the 717. So I would say that, you know, my thoughts on this is something like this. It might not be a fast one, but this is what I think. This is what I think. And as for the New York session, wherever price is going to be, this is 930 here. This is what I think will happen in New York. So I don't know what's going to happen in between, but that is my personal opinion. I could be absolutely wrong, of course, but this is what I think. Let's see. Rich Goodwin, hey there. Bears continue to get crushed. Yeah, for now it's a little bit messy for the Bears. Cosmo, good morning. Enter the giveaway, guys. Enter the giveaway. We're gonna pick the winner in less than 10 minutes. All right. After the London Open, we're gonna pick one winner. Good morning, Pablo. Revolut could be maybe. And so long, my final target 700. Let's go. Let's go. I think if we go up with the displacement, the low-hanging fruit would be 700. So that's a good idea. The round numbers, the whole numbers are always a low-hanging fruit. If price is getting closer, and if you want to scalp it maybe, I would say there's a good chance to hit the 700, but we need an up-close candle with a displacement. So this is the 1 minute chart. I just went down to the 1 minute again. What I would like to see is a close above this swing here, which is at 683. 683. That is what I would like to see. Entry at 660, stops at break even, take profit 1 taken. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Sounds like, yeah, it's possible. Yeah, Bob, so that's fine. I'm saying that is the daily loss limit in master account like Top Step. The option 1 account, no, it doesn't. Sorry, it starts with the. It's not like Top Step. It's a $50,000 account. So, for example, I can show you. Just give me a second. So this is a funded account with Bilonox, and this is how it looks like. All right, this is how it looks like. This is a funded account. Okay, here's the move. It seems like, but we have to wait for London Open. So this is how it looks like, and that's it. I was staying for the rest of the day, and yeah, it could go absolutely. So if you have a runner or anything, and then just, you know, hold on, let me check something. Let me check something real quick. Really quick. So wait for the London Open. We're gonna pick the winner from the giveaway. Paul, I received an email. Not quite sure about that. Paul is asking me in email, why are there 2 current order blocks on Bookmap? I don't use this version. I see what you mean there. I don't really, I mean, I'm not trading actively with Bookmap, so I wish I could tell you in detail why is it saying 2 order blocks. So if you guys are an expert with Bookmap, then you guys can maybe help me out. It's for Paul, actually. He sent me a picture. I can show you if you guys don't mind it. So here it says current order block here and another current order block there. So why is that like that? Why is it saying 2 order blocks? I don't know it, actually. I wish I knew it, but I don't know. If anyone is good in Bookmap, I don't know what this means. Let me know. Why is there 2 columns of current order block? I don't know why. I have. Is that the mess? Yeah. No. That the one that I got my payout, I already blow it. I'm sorry to say that, Rich Goodwin. I told this to you guys weeks ago that the one that I got my payout from is actually got blown. Currently, I have 3 master accounts and 3 already in dormant, and 1 more already passed with Bilonox. So overall, technically 7 funded accounts, but I still need to trade 1 or 2 more days. So anyway, I never found Bookmap useful at all. Oh, what you can? Which account are you trading right now? Right now I'm trading MyFundedFutures, Bilonox, and an Apex account. Oh, what is this? Look at this liquidity sweep at the London Open. I guess this was a... So I'm not copy trading all of my accounts at a time because I couldn't bear the stress. Look at this drop right at the open. We're gonna pick the winner in about 2 minutes or 3, alright? So you still have time to enter. We're gonna pick a winner. As getting a funded account, do you carry on with the same account number or are they giving you one? They give a new account number. They give a new one. Can be pending orders, but it can be cancelled. Yeah, you know, if you see those orders at Bookmap, just don't forget that those orders can be cancelled any single second. So price getting closer, it just disappears. Boom, it wasn't even there, and vice versa. So those big orders are appearing and disappearing like even every second. So the one on the right is the total number of orders executed. Okay, non-executed, that price level. The one on the left is number of orders still pending for execution. All right, thank you, Tamimi, thank you. I wasn't sure. Thank you. I got long at 69. That is a bullish drop. Yeah, I think this is a liquidity sweep, to be honest. I'm still gonna stay bullish for the day, but you know, anything can happen. But I think this was a liquidity sweep. Anyways, I'm not gonna take a short on this one because there is this huge congestion area, so I don't want to take that. I got a payout from my friend I paid yesterday and already blew up yesterday. It happens to everyone. Lizelle, sorry to hear that. I know it sucks, but hey, it happens. The other week, it was like 3 weeks ago or a month ago. Like, I had 2 accounts ready for payout. One account at Bilonox. One account reached the payout. I requested it. And the other account was only $400 away from payout. And I thought, you know, I can do it in one session. I blew the account in 10 minutes and that's it. So, and the other account that I got the payout from, the balance, I mean the profits got deducted from the account. The next day no, not the next day. I mean in about 3 days or 2 days, I blew the account. I don't know what's going on in my head or how is it. It's crazy, and I need to stop. This was not the fault of the market. It was only me in my head because I was greedy. So now I'm again trading super slow with micros. I mean, I was trading with micros, but with less micros. Ah, you're welcome, Paul. Well, actually, we should be thanking to Tamimi and everybody, of course, because I didn't know that too, Paul. Yeah. A few months back, I just activated 10 Apex 50k accounts, short London Open, and blew them all in under 10 minutes. So yeah, Rich Goodwin. What's my target? So guys, I would say this was a liquidity sweep. My target would be for the London session is the low hanging fruit would be 700, but we have a buy side liquidity at 717. Anyway, let's pick the winner. All right, let's see. We have 50 people. We have 86 people in the chat, and we have 50 people participated in the giveaway. So the odds are really good. It's a tough game, yeah. Anyway, we have 50 people. So let's do the giveaway. I would appreciate if you guys would have PayPal. Anyway, let's count down, and I'm gonna close the entries. All right, Trader Z slipped in. Just slipped in. Okay, Trader Z. 200 packs. Let's go. All right, I'm closing down the entries. No more entries. 51 people. And we're gonna put the least stressful music in the background, and we're gonna pick the winner. All right, Peter, you didn't get your come on, Peter, Peter is a regular viewer. Peter, I resumed it just for you. Exclamation mark cash. Don't use a space, Peter. Just slip in because I'm gonna close it. It's opened again. Slip in, Peter. Come on. Paul. All right. Few more people slipping in. Peter Lorem. Exclamation mark cash. Try it again. Because I'm not sure if you got your ticket here. I don't see it yet. There you go. Joey. All right. Everybody. Fine. Peter got it. All right. I'm going to close it in 3, 2, 1. Not opening it again. Entries closed. Ah, Betos. Betos, come on. Yasia and Betos. Okay, Betos got it. Yasia got it. All right, now I closed it down. No more. 57 people. I'm not opening it again. We were having 35 minutes to enter the giveaway. All right. I barely made it, Paul. Let's go. All right, 57 people. 57. So let's go. The winner for today's giveaway is gonna be no other than the one and only. The one and the only. 3, 2, 1. Vivian is the winner. Congratulations, Vivian, for winning the $50 cash prize giveaway. Oh yes, Vivian. There is a way. There's always a way, Vivian. Congratulations for winning the giveaway. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Vivian. If you have PayPal, that would be super great. I'm gonna write you my congratulations to Vivian, everybody. Just send me an email. If you have a PayPal, that would be great. If don't, then we will discuss it. Bankwire, I mean, maybe I can ask one more time Methodical Man to help me out with Cash App or Zelle. But, you know, PayPal would be the best. But whichever you have. All right. Congratulations, Vivian. I'm super happy for Vivian because she's a regular viewer. And I'm happy. I mean, I'm happy for everybody, but I know she's here. All right. It's hard to win. I know, all right? It's hard to win. I mean, your daily target for eval account and funded account. Oh, daily target, Sofian. My funded account daily target. Sorry. So if I make $200 or $300 on a funded account, I stop for the day. I know it's a little bit, it's not too much. That's why I don't care about the consistency rule. But if I make $200 or $300 on a funded account, 50K funded account for a day, I just stop. All right. On evaluation accounts, I trade differently. I trade much more aggressively. I take positions that are not even there. So I try to scalp more. So sometimes on evaluation accounts, if I have a good day, I make $1,000, 500, whatever. Sometimes I did YOLO a few accounts. And if I lose, I usually try to lose no more than 800 or 1,000 on a bad day on an evaluation account. On a funded account, my mental stop would be $400 or $500 for the day on a funded account. Harder than trading, actually. 1 hour, 5-point move. Yeah. So we took out the order block high. It could be a liquidity sweep, as I told you guys. It could be a liquidity sweep, and that's why I'm not entering right now. If I would anticipate that this will go higher. So yeah. that 259 fair value gap worked great. Yeah, the 259. Let's see. 259. 259. You're saying, oh, the inversion gap. Well, actually, it's not an inversion gap. So it's a classic fair value gap. So if you took a short here with a tight stop, look at this, almost 1 to 2, 1.9 risk to reward ratio. So that worked out pretty good. You know, took out a significant level, displacement lower, and yeah, my final TP would have been here to sweep this fair value gap down there, which it did. So it worked out perfectly. Yes, Rich Goodman, that's absolutely true. So by the way, guys, I'm just saying that today's London session is going to be a short stream. I won't be here until the end of the kill zone. I will stay here for now, but I won't be here for the end of the kill zone because I have an appointment, and we might even go out one more time. There's a lake not too far to the beach at the afternoon. It's going to be afternoon for me, so it's going to be in the New York AM session. So I'm not sure 100% that I'm going to be here today on the New York session. Everything's going to be back to normal from next week. I'm here, you know, guys, from London and New York all the time, but this week is a little bit of a hectic. So just saying, no promises for the New York session. Swimming day, exactly. Quick question, what is that kill zone you often talk about? The kill zone, by the terms of ICT concepts, is on London session starts from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So from here, Eastern Standard Time, to until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the London session, which is here. So in between these two vertical lines is the London session kill zone. So everything that happens in this session. Kill zone is just a term by ICT, like the highest volume injections, the highest probability of movements are in between these hours, right? Of course, we can have setups and movements before and after these hours, but the highest probability for a trade to play out is in between this section. Now the New York AM kill zone starts from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 7 until 11. And we have a lunch hour, of course, and the PM session kill zone is usually from 1 or 1:30 until 4. But there are smaller time segments. If you study price and time in the ICT concepts, there are segments about that. The power hour, the macros, you know, liquidity injections, something. So price and time, that's why. Are you watching the new ICT? No, I didn't yet. I wish I could, but I don't really have time right now because there's so many stuff to do, and time is just not always on my side. Anyway, I'm watching what this wants to do. I don't want to go short here. If I go to the 5-minute, there's obviously some levels down there. We have a fair value gap on the 5-minute actually down here. If it wants to sweep ups, if it wants to sweep liquidity, then we can go down there, but I don't know. This could be a good setup actually to continue lower, but I just don't know. I feel like if this was a liquidity sweep, it made the move already. I'm not saying it cannot go lower, but I just don't see it right now as a significant area. So if you guys want to take a short, you can target the 630s. Wow, look at that. It's actually going down. And as for Asia lows, we have this. If it wants to sweep the Asia lows at 576. Just be careful, all right? I'm gonna be anticipating price to move higher. So if it shifts higher, I'm just gonna go for the 700s. And that's it. Yeah, congratulations there. Vivian, I hope you got my email. And just send me your PayPal or whatever. Or if you don't have PayPal, then we will sort it out. If you don't have my email, I can post it again. I typed it up there somewhere. Yeah, it's there in the chat. If I follow ICT mentorship, now the price should go to the new day. Okay. Okay, great, Vivian. Thank you. Thank you. No email yet. I keep refreshing. Not in the spam or in the trash folder. No email yet. But we're gonna wait a few minutes. Emails sometimes take a few minutes to arrive, right? Okay, so again, I'm just anticipating that this could go higher. No email yet, Vivian, just saying. But I guess it should arrive. What you can do also, I can give you another email if it's better for you. Can I send you? All I can say, Parminder, is we're gonna have more giveaways, so everybody will have the chance. Look at that, we're still going down. No email yet. Nutty Bar is extremely cheap. He rarely does giveaways. Really? I thought he's doing giveaway. I wasn't checking on him for a while, but I thought that he's doing giveaways all the time. No email, Vivian. No email. If you want me, I can send you a different email address. Maybe I can get it there. I have a Proton Mail too. So I can send it to you, that one. Look at that, it's just slipping down lower and lower. Yeah, no problem. Vivian, let me give you another email, and you can send it here too. It's at Proton Mail. So one of these should work out. Whichever is comfortable for you. Is giveaways the reason that you watch? I'm not watching for giveaways. I'm not watching for giveaways. I'm also checking on other traders on YouTube, how they're doing, what's their trading style. I try to copy other YouTube traders. How are they doing? What are they doing maybe better than I am? What should I be doing better? You know. So I always Good morning, Muhammad. Look at that. We're just slipping lower and lower, and it seems like I should have taken the short, but no worries. It's fine. We say benchmark. No, you know what we say? We say model. We model other people. We model them. You know. That's what we say. Oh, thank you. But I watch for the giveaways. All right, Sorel is at least honest. I'm entertaining, but he's here for the giveaways. And you know what, Sorel? That's why I like you. Model, yeah. Model the best and get the pay on yourself. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hey, Vivian, you know, worst case, Vivian, if the email doesn't come through and if you don't mind sharing your PayPal email, you can put it in the chat. But if you don't want to, it's fine too. It's up to you. But no emails yet, so it's all right. Whenever it's okay for you, it's fine. I'm not urging you. Whenever you ready, even later the day, whenever, you know. No, never, Brownie. I didn't use volume profile. I know a lot of you guys do. Sam option giveaway is over right now, but we're gonna have more giveaways next week. Sam option FX. But thank you for joining. But we had the giveaway earlier in the stream, but we'll have more. Stay tuned for next week. Oh no, Sam, don't worry. We're gonna have more. We're gonna have more. All right, sure, no problem. Vivian, it's up to you. It's a no rush. There's another email up there. I just posted it. It's a Proton Mail address. You can send it there too. Worst case scenario, it's up to you if you want to put it out here. The email attached to your PayPal, it's fine. But obviously, you don't have to. Anytime during the day, if I receive it, I'm just gonna log in and send it to you. No worries. 100% you can trust me on that one. It's gonna get taken care of anytime, so don't worry. Jack, what's going on? Good to see you. That chart looks like it was so easy to see now, but 25 minutes ago I didn't see it. Well, I was actually eyeballing with it, but the problem that I was so married to the idea that this one should be going up there and even higher that I was scared to jump in for the short. So that's what I thought. No, it's in TradingView. You have this in TradingView. It's like in the brushes. You go to brushes and there is an arrow marker. Right, this arrow marker. Yeah, don't worry, Vivian. It will get here soon enough. Yeah, check for spaces or anything. So I have 2 emails. .com or this one. You can use both of these. It scares people even if it... Yeah, that's what it does. Exactly, Bob. So yes, I could have taken a short on it, but it's fine. I still like the idea that it can shift higher. Yeah, I don't want to jump into a short here. Yeah, me too, Rich Goodwin. I don't like this area to go short. It could go down. We have obviously this beautiful gap here. A flip short entry, target Asia low. Yeah. So up here, there was 2 opportunities to go short. I was scared to jump in here. And the other was here. So one here and the other was here. But right now, I don't want to take a short. Of course, we can drop all the way down, obviously, but you know, the probabilities are lower right now. Yeah. The market does just exactly what it wants to do. Exactly. So the thing is, guys, is that as I told you, I'm doing a short stream today because I have an appointment later on. Vivian, if you're still here, don't worry. You have my emails up there. Just copy them. And whenever I will receive them, I will definitely take care of the prize. But yet, I didn't receive it. But guys, I think I'm gonna have to call it here. Oh, I received one. Hold on. Vivian, please confirm if you have JLH in the name of your email. Vivian, please confirm. I had to use my system. No problem. So do you have JLH? Okay then. All right. Vivian, just give me a second. Great, 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 great. All right. All right. All right. Now I received it. fine. Great. Taking care of it right now. Vivian, it has been sent. All right. It has been sent. It's done. You are welcome. Congratulations again for winning. I have just sent it. All right. Congratulations. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so guys, I think I'm gonna call it here because I have an appointment. Congratulations again to Vivian, and again, no promises for the New York session. I might be at the lake, and Vivian, you're absolutely welcome. And I think this was it for me for the London session. I'm sorry again to leave this early, but I do have to make in time for an appointment. And you know, just stay safe. We had a good trade. My anticipation is still bullish for the day, so I think we're gonna go higher. And see you guys. Thank you so much. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here in New York, so again, I didn't say it not even once today, but if you would like to support the stream, please use my code tomsabo. Works at Bilonox, Take Profit Trader, Apex, MyFundedFutures for the best discount. Use tomsabo. And of course, thank you so much for the support and everything. See you guys, I don't know when, but soon. So stay tuned. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day or weekend, whatever. Love you all. Be safe. Cheers, everybody.